Good morning, students. Today we will read main, auxiliary, and modal verbs. As we already know, verbs that show action or an event are called action or main verbs, and verbs that show a state of being are known as auxiliary or linking verbs or helping verbs. Look at the following flowchart to see how verbs can be classified. Main verbs and auxiliary verbs. Main verbs: sit, stand, write, play, run. These all are main verbs. And auxiliary verbs are classified into two main verbs: primary auxiliary verbs and modal auxiliary verbs. Primary: has, have, is, am, are, was, were, had, do, does, did. These all are primary auxiliary verbs. And modal auxiliary verbs are can, could, shall, may, might, shall or will, could, must or should. They all are modal auxiliary verbs. Now come to focus. Now you have to state whether the underlined verbs are main verbs, auxiliary verbs or modal verbs. He can dance. He can dance well. Can. This is modal verb. Mala is running away. Is helping verb, so it is auxiliary verb. I must go to school. It is modal verb. The cake is delicious. This is auxiliary verb or helping verb, so AV. Fifth one is Jimmy has seen the movie. Again, it is helping verb. Has is helping verb, so it is auxiliary verb. Now match Aisha's questions in column A to the people she might ask, then them to in column B. Where should Aisha go for these questions, for asking these questions? May I see the headmaster today? So, the receptionist in the office. Can I go to the zoo today? Mother, could you please pass the salt cellar? A diner at the next table. Could you please tell me how to get to the bank? A passerby on the road. Can I bring my cousin to your birthday party? Friend. May I come in, ma'am? Teacher. Now let's practice. Underline the modal verbs in the following sentences and write whether they are used to express possibility, ability, permission, future action or suggestion. The first one has been done for you. So move to second one. If you finish your homework, you can play video games. This is permission. You must eat a lot of fruit. This is suggestion. I'm not going to Mumbai today. I will go tomorrow. This is future action. You should not put your fingers into an electric socket. This is suggestion. This is not a very heavy stool. You can lift it easily. This is ability. Seventh one. Johnny could play football when he was young. This is possibility. Can he play football now? This is ability. Now you have to use can, could, must not instead of the words underlined in the following sentences and then rewrite the sentences. John had the ability to swim in the flooded water. John could swim in the flooded water. Mary is able to walk after the accident. Mary can walk after the accident. One has to abide by the rules of the school. One must abide by the rules of the school. You have to finish your homework on time. You must finish your homework on time. Meera has the ability to work all night. Meera could work all night. Deepthi has the ability to do difficult sums. Deepthi can do difficult sums. My grandmother did not go to school. She was not able to read or write. Here we have to use not also. My grandmother did not go to school. She could not read or write. When you go to Goa, you have to visit the beaches. When you go to Goa, you have to go the beaches. When you go to Goa, you must visit the beaches. Extension. This is a conversation between Raju and his dentist. So dentist is saying, "Hello Raju, how are you?" Raju answers, "Doctor, I have a bad toothache. I cannot eat anything." Dentist, "Oh, open your mouth. I will clean your teeth. Then I will give you some medicine." Raju says, "All right." Dentist says, "Raju, you must clean your mouth after eating or you might get the pain again." Raju says, "Doctor, I will brush my teeth regularly with a good brush and toothpaste." "That's right. You must take good care of your teeth." So this completes your chapter of auxiliary verbs, modal verbs and main verbs. I hope you all have understood the chapter of verbs. Thank you. Have a nice day.